This dramatic industrial footage serves as a stark reminder of the hidden dangers inherent in welding fuel containers. The incident depicts a mechanic working on a truck-mounted fuel tank where residual flammable vapors, ignited by the welding torch's intense heat, triggered a violent explosion. The blast source propelled debris and a thick cloud of white smoke across the workspace. Incredibly, the technician survived without serious injury, a miracle attributed to his professional welding mask and his specific positioning during the flash. This event underscores several non-negotiable safety protocols. First, thorough decontamination is mandatory. Any container that once held fuel must be professionally cleaned and purged of gases before work begins. Second, the consistent use of high-quality PPE, such as flame-resistant clothing and specialized masks, is the ultimate line of defense. Finally, comprehensive risk assessments and proper ventilation are essential to prevent minor oversights from becoming fatal disasters. This footage captures a heart-stopping moment as a man narrowly avoids a major elevator malfunction. Upon attempting to enter, he immediately sensed something was wrong. Instead of operating normally, the cabin suffered a technical glitch and surged upward while the doors were still wide open. Thanks to his quick reflexes and sharp awareness, he stepped back just seconds before the elevator shot up at high speed. This incident serves as a vital reminder to stay vigilant when using public facilities. Always stay focused by checking the floor alignment and door status before stepping in. Though, if you notice unusual noises or unstable movements, do not enter and seek assistance immediately. Regular maintenance of high-tech equipment is essential to ensure public safety. This footage captures a sudden, intense fire incident at a mechanical manufacturing facility. While workers were focused on their tasks near metal component racks, a large fireball abruptly erupted from the rear, quickly engulfing the space in thick smoke. The incident unfolded in seconds, forcing an immediate evacuation. Preliminary observations suggest the flare-up may have been caused by equipment failure or a fuel leak during machinery operation. This serves as a critical reminder of the importance of strict fire protocols. To prevent such occurrences, facilities must conduct routine electrical inspections, ensure preventative maintenance for all machinery, and maintain accessible fire suppression equipment. Proactive safety measures are not just about protecting assets. They are the foundation of a secure and healthy environment for every single team member. This footage captures a critical construction safety incident, where a worker attempts to pry open a large concrete form or panel using a manual tool. Unbeknownst to the worker, a massive amount of pressurized water and mud had accumulated behind the structure. The moment the panel was breached, the pent-up pressure caused a violent blowout, instantly displacing the heavy formwork and overwhelming the worker. This serves as a vital reminder to prioritize safety protocols, such as performing thorough pre-demolition inspections for hidden pressure, maintaining strategic positioning away from blowout zones, and strictly adhering to warning signs like seepage or bulging. All personnel must undergo rigorous training to recognize structural failures. In a high-capacity repair shop, a heavy-duty truck on a post lift became unstable due to a miscalculated center of gravity or mechanical failure. The vehicle tilted and fell, forcing nearby technicians to scramble for safety as the scene turned chaotic. This serves as a vital reminder that safety standards are non-negotiable. To prevent such accidents, technicians must always verify lifting points for perfect balance and perform routine maintenance on hydraulic systems and safety locks. Furthermore, using heavy-duty jack stands provides essential redundant support once a vehicle is raised. Maintaining high situational awareness is key. Staying alert to mechanical shifts provides the split second needed to evacuate. Ultimately, a safety-first culture ensures every team member goes home This footage captures what a critical safety incident involving a heavy fabric roll during a routine loading process. After a truck had been fully loaded with oversized rolls, a worker unexpectedly stepped onto the vehicle's bed. This sudden shift in weight distribution caused the top roll to lose balance and fall directly onto the individual, resulting in a severe injury. This incident serves as a sobering reminder of why strict safety protocols are non-negotiable in industrial environments. A single moment of distraction or a bypass of standard operating procedures can lead to life-altering consequences. It is essential to maintain a safe distance from unsecured loads and prioritize comprehensive training on weight distribution. Businesses must foster a safety-first mindset to prevent such accidents. This video is shared for educational and safety awareness purposes only. In a textile production workshop, a worker attempted to adjust fabric on a running machine. The employee, who was wearing a patterned jacket, leaned toward the machine to realign the fabric passing through the rollers. However, the machine was still operating, and the rollers were spinning at high speed. There was also no protective guard installed on the machine. While the worker was trying to adjust the fabric, the loose sleeve of the jacket became caught in the rotating rollers. Within seconds, the motion of the rollers pulled both the fabric and the sleeve inward. The worker lost balance and was dragged toward the machine as the incident unfolded rapidly. This event demonstrates how quickly operating machines can become dangerous. Exposed moving parts such as rollers, gears, and belts can easily catch clothing. Therefore, before making adjustments or performing maintenance, lockout-tagout procedures must always be applied to cut off power. A delivery truck stopped on the side of a sloped road to unload goods. While a loader at the back of the truck was preparing items on the platform, the driver stepped away from the vehicle for a short moment. The truck was parked on an incline, and after a short time, it slowly began rolling backward. The loader quickly noticed the movement and stepped aside to avoid danger. As the truck rolled back, it brushed against a barrier and began to slow down. The driver quickly returned, got into the vehicle, applied the brake, and brought the truck under control. This incident shows how important safety precautions are when leaving vehicles on sloped surfaces. When trucks or heavy vehicles are parked, the parking brake must always be engaged, and the vehicle must be secured properly. Wheel chocks should be used if necessary. Vehicles should never be left unattended without ensuring they cannot move. In an industrial work area, a crane operator was performing a routine lifting operation using wire rope slings to move a heavy load. After the load was lifted from the ground, it began moving above the head level of workers. At that moment, 2 workers were standing directly beneath the path of the suspended load. While the lifting operation was continuing, an unexpected problem occurred in the sling ropes, and they suddenly snapped. The unsupported load quickly fell downward and struck the area where the workers were standing. The incident happened in a very short time and clearly demonstrated how dangerous suspended loads can be on a worksite. This situation shows how important it is to follow safety rules during lifting operations. Workers should never stand beneath suspended loads and must stay clear of the load's path.